Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Online Learning.
In this video, I'll show you how to write letter O. Normally, we write letter O like this within 3 lines. Okay, this is normal O. Now, there is a small difference between normal O and cursive O. Let us see what is the difference. You need to write like normal O. After joining this, you need to make a curve inside. This is cursive O. Now, small O. Small o is easy. You need to write like letter A. Like this. After joining this, make a curve like this. Let us practice once again. This is O. This is small o.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, Online Learning. Thank you.